read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Good morning and Assalamualaikum. Me Sayyida Maryam Naqvi from the Moonlight International Publishers. My dear students, how are you? What are you looking? What's in my hand? It's about our today's work. Look over here. Today, we are going to count, identify, and write number 1 in verse. So, first of all, I want to ask, how many orange pencils are there in my hand?
1 pencil.
Yes, very good. 1 pencil. How many sharpeners are there in my hand? Look here.
1 sharpener.
Good answer. Very good. And how many white erasers are there in my hand?
1 eraser.
Very good. You all are very intelligent, mashallah. Now, look over here. Today, we will write number 1. I will teach you how to write it. Start from the dot, come straight down. It will make number 1. O-N-E-1. O-N-E-1. Very good. Look over here. 1 elephant. How many elephants are there? 1. 1 elephant. 1 pencil. Orange pencil. 1 white eraser. And 1
orange sharpener.
orange sharpener. Very good. Now it's riddle time. What number am I? I am a single candle on a birthday cake. I am a single candle on a birthday cake. 1 candle. Very good. Now, I will tell you a short story. Look over here. 1 elephant saw a tall tree in the jungle. It used its trunk to grab some leaves. The elephant ate the leaves and enjoyed its snack. Wow, elephant is looking very nice. Now, I hope so that you have learned number 1 and its formation. And do you know about that? Yes, I know very well. Now you could count the objects. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.